Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. सबसे पहले I would like to welcome all of you to the Islamabad campus of Cybrid and Ice Animation. It's a matter of great honor. Uh, Welcome to the PCHF team, especially Misbah, Rashid Bhai, Umar Bhai, Farhan. Obviously, it's a second home for him. Uh, I won't take a lot of time, but you should always be, aware of any CEO who takes a chit out and says, "I won't take a lot of time." But I just want to give a few, background and why we are involved, and then, we'll hand it over to the main players. देखिए, जो objective is हम आप सबको इकट्ठे करने का है रमज़ान के आखिरी 10 दिन है. It's difficult to get out, but we tried our best. And thank you all of you for coming, doing that, to raise awareness about a cause. At the end of this, inshallah, जब हम इफ्तारी के बाद सब वापस जाएंगे, if we are more aware of what the problem is and what we are doing, we have achieved our goal. We call it an awareness event. It's a connect event. My involvement with PCHF dates back, almost as old as my friendship with Farhan. We used to work together. Many of our colleagues, all of them, some of them are here. So Farhan went through a tragedy. His daughter was born with a congenital heart defect. Aisha, she did not survive. A personal tragedy then turned into a blessing of thousands of kids. वो बच्ची अपनी जान अल्लाह ताला ने उसकी जितनी रखी हुई थी, बट उसकी बदौलत जितने बच्चों को शिफा मिली है, you will find out. So, when Farhan started this about 15 years back, that is when I connected because Farhan was my friend. And I learned about the problem, and I'll explain a little bit. But now my connection with Pakistan Children's Heart Foundation is not because of Farhan. It's connection with the cause. That is a very important factor. Why Cybrid is involved? Corporates are there to make money, they are there for economic benefits. देखिए, as an individual, हमारा religion में या किसी भी society में there is an objective to do more than what is absolutely required. अगर हम सिला रहमी के concept को लेते हैं तो it starts with your community, with your रिश्तेदार, and you do good for them before you go out. A corporate, at the end of the day, is a citizen of the society, legally, socially, culturally, and it has to contribute more than just doing the basic objectives. It has to make money, but at the same time, it also has to have a heart and has to connect with the cause. And I fundamentally don't like the concept of CSR, the corporate social responsibility, which just basically means that taking a chunk of your profits and giving it to somebody. I believe that in essence of the concept of Sila Rehmi, you should contribute to something that you are close to. So in our case, the competencies we have, we want to connect and we want to do that. जहाँ हम एक service provide कर रहे हैं on a scale of 5, we can do it at a scale of 6. The sixth one being the incremental, the additional thing that we want to do better. So that's when PCHF, क्योंकि मेरा उससे relationship Cybrid से पुराना था, so I connected with it and I started, engaging Cybrid. हम अपना, मैं जिस तरह कहता हूँ कि अपना दर्जन जो है हम अपने 12 के बजाय 13 का कर लेते हैं. So we started, Jawai services, and we started giving it pro bono. We dedicated our Islamabad office to PCHF. जिसका ये मतलब है because fundamentally it's a Lahore-centered organization, Lahore-headquartered organization. But anybody who wants to use the office, patients coming and meeting somebody, any awareness event, it is available freely for them. Our network is their network. That is the essence of, in my opinion, how a corporate gives back. So that is where we started getting involved. And alhamdulillah, this relationship is about 7-8 years old. This is the third or fourth event like this that we do in addition to the other things. So the reason and obviously we have a complete Cybrid impact program, just maybe do a lot of other things, but that's not the agenda for this. The problem is quite big. और एक बंदे की आजमाइश उसको किसी बिल्कुल एक different direction में भी ले जा सकती है, but at the same time it can move that person to a cause. So that's what happened with Farhan. So a tragedy turned into an evaluation that turned into a cause, And that turned into what is now a national movement where any kid with a congenital heart defect needs to be taken care of. That's what the foundation is for. The problem इतना बड़ा है, 60,000 बच्चे पाकिस्तान में पैदा होते हैं जिनका congenital heart defect है, दिल का मर्ज. Kids and any marginalized तबके जो सोसाइटी के हैं, स्टेट की पहली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि उनका ख्याल करें. If the beauty of Allah's system is that the kid who is born with a problem, if you take care of it immediately, that kid is, in most of the cases, is good for life, as good as new. If you don't, it would be surprising if that kid even makes it to double figures. 35,000 kids still are waiting for surgery. Pediatrics वैसे ही मुश्किल है. Pediatric urology, oncology, cardiology, हर चीज़ में there is a problem. There is a deficiency of specialized staff. पाकिस्तान में कोई pediatric cardiology का hospital नहीं है. PCHF is the one which is making it for the first time. So, you know, that, and ये पता है कि health issue जो है, you know, is, आपको पता है poverty alleviation के बहुत से programs are centered around health, because one health issue in the family can take the entire family down into below the poverty line. जब आप ICU में या अस्पताल में पहुंचते हैं, सारे सब बराबर हो जाते हैं. Because, you know, at the operation table, at the ICU, you know, they're all the same. लेकिन जो, that is the, you know, everybody is equal, but what is not equal is what happens before that. Nobody has access, the right access to the actual healthcare facilities. ये बच्चे, you know, उनको ये diagnosis तक ही नहीं पहुंचते हो. बाद में गांव में पता चलता है कि कोई कमज़ोर था तो बच नहीं सका. That's where we come in. So PCHF, at the end of the day, is a foundation that is not just making a hospital, that may be the flagship project, but it is addressing the congenital heart defect problem. It is doing multiple things, which includes capacity building, which includes medical missions. And it takes a village to raise a baby, aap kehte hain. So it takes a lot of partners and a community involvement to do what we are trying to do. And my, you know, just humble contribution is as a board member, these are the people who are actually, you know, doing the real work. एक, you know, model है जिसको, you know, I believe there's a connect, you build up a relationship, and then you do a transaction. आपने कुछ भी करना होता है, आप किसी से पहले connect करते हैं, then you build up a relationship, and then you get whatever value you want to impart or value you want to get. Unfortunately, most of the time, we straight away go to the transactional part. The relationship building is, in our case, is just letting all of you know what the problem is, making you aware of it. So once you are aware of it, you connect with it, and once you are connecting with it, you know, things happen. Last year, इधर ही इसी event के बाद, somebody who is already sitting here connected us to a friend of them, Mayo Clinic, US में, and just 7 days ago, Farhan and Misbah Bhai, they conducted a fundraising event in US. So, you know, that is the kind of value that happens when you understand things. So, that's what we're doing. फरहान के बारे में मैं एक ज़रूर चीज़ बताना चाह रहा हूँ. ये इस किस्म के जितने causes होते हैं, projects होते हैं, बहुत से लोग मिल जाते हैं, बहुत से लोग contribute करना चाहते हैं genuinely, but you need one person जिसके around पूरी चीज़ build up होती है. अगर वो नहीं हो and everybody is imparting equally, it doesn't work. Farhan is that pillar जो 15 साल से he owned a company, he left his job, he left everything. He is still a pro bono, he's a volunteer CEO, he has never taken a salary from PCHF. And he's on the go. Just last 10 days के अंदर, they have been in probably 10 cities, which include 6 cities of US on both east and west coast, and Karachi, today Islamabad, and day after tomorrow in Lahore. That's the passion that comes from it. So जब तक फरहान जैसा बंदा ना हो, ये चीज़ें चल नहीं सकती. बेशक हम सारे जितनी मर्जी सपोर्ट करें. That is the most important thing. फिर उसके बाद the second main person is Misbah Bhai, जो कि the amount of dedication and effort, जो कुछ उन्होंने क्रिकेट के लिए किया, वो सब उनकी contributions हम सबके सामने हैं. But the way he connects with this cause and the way he brings about the entire cricketing community and he brings about people, it's you know, it's brilliant. So मैं आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ. उमर भाई और राशिद भाई का, स्पेशली उमर भाई लास्ट टाइम भी हमारे पास आए थे, कि आप लोग आएँ और इस कॉज से कनेक्ट करें, बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ नेशनल कॉज. ये पहला पीडियाट्रिक कार्डियोलॉजी हॉस्पिटल है जो पाकिस्तान का बन रहा है. आखिरी चीज़, जब आप इस राह पे चल पड़ते हैं, जब ये शुरू हुआ था तो सब एवरीबडी टोल्ड फरहान कि यार नहीं करो ना, तुम्हारी you're not known to people. इतना बड़ा project करना है, you have to have a brand name. We didn't care, he didn't care, and just moved on. So Allah, is Al-Fattah, वो दरवाजे खोलता है, और वो Al-Mannan है, वो आपको फिर वो चीज़ें देता है जिसको आपने मांगी भी नहीं होती. So that is the essence of what we are doing. I'm very proud to be a very small part of this effort, and we are so privileged that he is here. And we'll just engage with you, but I just wanted to personally thank all of you for coming here and being part of this. Just try to understand what this is, what the problem is, and what's happening, and you'll figure out where you can help. Thank you very much.